You don't need 90 days to change your life, not even 7. You need just one day, one decision, one honest moment where you finally stop deceiving yourself and start doing what truly needs to be done. Because let's face it, you don't need more time, you need more truth. And today, I'm giving you something few ever will. A 24-hour reset system to realign your mind, recharge your energy, and redefine your direction. This isn't about hype. This is about battle. Let's fix this right now. Step 1. Radical self-isolation. Pick one day. Shut off your phone. No internet, no social apps, no mindless scrolling, no messages, 0 distractions, just you and your thoughts. Why? Because most people aren't damaged. They're just overstimulated. Their minds are overflowing. No time to process, no space to breathe, no chance to reflect. We are drowning in noise. The quickest path to clarity? Silence. If you can't spend a day alone with your own mind, you're not bored, you're running from the truth. Step 2. The mirror ritual. Here's the part no one talks about. Stand in front of a mirror. No background music, no motivational quotes. Just 5 silent minutes, eye to eye with yourself, and ask, who am I pretending to be? Ask it seriously. You'll feel it. The ache in your chest, that's not weakness. That's your real self trying to wake up. Because you've been performing, pretending, trying to fit in. And deep down, you know it. Today is the day the mask drops. Today, you get real. Step 3. Destroy to rebuild. Grab a notebook. Write 3 things. The habits that are ruining your potential. The people or places that drain your energy. The lies you tell just to be accepted. Now, destroy that page. Rip it, burn it, shred it. Why? Writing it down brings awareness, but destroying it sends a message to your subconscious. You're not going back. The old version of you dies today. Step 4. The warrior hour. Now it's time to activate body, mind, and spirit. Set a 60-minute timer. Break it down. 20 minutes. Move. Run, do push-ups, take a cold shower. Anything that pushes your physical limits. 20 minutes. Dump your thoughts. Write freely. No rules. Let the chaos out onto paper. 20 minutes. Sit in silence. No screens. No music. Just breathe. Just be. You do this, and something inside you will shift. Control, focus, power, presence. Step 5. The 9 p.m. rule. At exactly 9 p.m., go back to the mirror. This time, don't question anything. Just say, thank you for showing up. Not for being perfect, not even for improving, just for being fully present. Because most people never give themselves that. One whole day without running, avoiding, or faking it. One honest day of full intensity. That's rare. You are not broken. You're just buried under comfort, fear, and distractions. But just one day of ruthless honesty and focused effort can change the direction of your entire life. Not because you became someone else, but because you finally stopped pretending. If this message hit you, don't scroll away. Act. Start fixing it today. And if you're ready for more, join my Telegram channel for daily mindset drops. The link is below. Let's level up every single day.